A new blessing and opportunity are bestowed upon us as we welcome the new academic year. We welcome each and every one of you to the commencement of the academic year 2024-2025 here at the University of St. Louis. As we embark on our new journey, we are filled with gratitude for the blessings and opportunities that lie ahead. Our university has soared to new heights, and we take great pride in the strides we have made with the actualization of our intensified internationalization programs, upgraded campus spaces and facilities, exemplary board performances, successful world rankings and accreditations, and our steadfast commitment to service and faith. These accomplishments we achieved in the previous academic year will be carried forward, and the fruits of our labor will be enjoyed by each and every one of us this school year. As we are presented with a fresh opportunity, let us carry with us a renewed sense of purpose and the determination to achieve new heights of academic, institutional, mission, professional, and personal excellence. Needless to say, our enthusiastic administrators, faculty, and staff, fortified with enhanced personal and technical skills, stand resolute in their commitment to providing you with a supportive environment and top-notch educational experiences. With great anticipation, we look forward to the limitless possibilities and transformative experiences that await each and every one of you this academic year. May this year be marked with meaningful achievements, profound learning, and enduring camaraderie. Welcome, and let us begin this exciting chapter together.